Dogman and Rabbitwoman. A sculpture by Gillie Marc. Bronze sculpture by Gillie Marc. Dogman and Rabbitwoman. He's given her a saddle on the giving her a saddle on the tandem bike. He doesn't really need to saddle her though, because there's a seat at the back spare. But yeah, he's got her at the front. Tandem Lovers. The name of the sculpture is Tandem Lovers by Gillie Marc. Bronze sculpture. Dogman's looking sharp in his blue blazer. See what I'm saying? He's looking sharp in his blue blazer. And he's got his lady, the rabbit. For a rabbit, she's looking pretty hot. Yeah. In her red dress. With a cup of tea, looks like. But yeah, it's a bronze sculpture. It's pretty creative. It's pretty creative, you know. It's a little bit scary, the whole Dogman and Rabbitwoman. But it's pretty creative at the same time. I mean, you wouldn't want to see them pop up in your dreams. I'm not trying to give anyone nightmares or anything, but yeah, this is it's inspired by Gillie Marc, the sculptors. When I looked on their website, it said they're big fans of cycling, and also they actually use a tandem themselves. The makers of this sculpture, the sculptors, they say they're fans of cycling, traveling, and they actually own a tandem themselves. So it represents what they like. Also, the sculpture is purposely designed where, like I said, he's given her a saddle, Rabbitwoman, but he doesn't need to because there's a spare seat. But the sculpture was purposely designed to be interactive for the public. So they've given a free seat for the public to make it interactive. And yeah. This sculpture has also been installed in cities across the world. And you can find it here in Canary Wharf. He's got his blazer